this is Twisted Trumpets, and I've been really curious about this one. It's a tile-laying game, but the theme is building this kind of chaotic musical parade, which honestly, I love already. The tiles look super colorful. It seems pretty approachable, but I've heard there's more strategy here than you expect. Apparently every placement matters, and you're not just building your own little section, you're kind of messing with the whole board. I love games where you're quietly ruining someone else's plan without being obvious about it. This feels like it's going to be one of those okay, wait, let me think for a second kind of games. If you're into tile laying with a little tension and interaction, this might be a fun one. I'm excited to try it.